How to change parental controls in Amazon Prime Video app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Prime Video app. After you are in the app, make sure to log into your account first. Now, in order to change the parental controls, here in this home screen at the bottom right corner, you can see the accounts icon, tap on it. Next up, at the top right corner, you can see the settings gear icon, tap on it. Now that you're in the settings page, here you can see the parental controls option, tap on it. From here, you have different categories of parental controls that you can control. You can set the viewing restrictions, you can set the purchase restrictions, and you can even change the security pin of your Prime Video. So whatever you want to change, simply tap on it. After that, it will again prompt you to log into your account first. Now you will be taken to this viewing restrictions page. From here, you can choose the age group that you want to restrict. You can select from the given age groups, and right below that you can see various options. You can review these and set accordingly. Once you are done with the changes, you can tap on the save button at the bottom, and the viewing restrictions have been updated into your accounts, so you can go back. Similarly, if you want to set the purchase restrictions, you can follow along the same process. And then to change the Prime Video pin, you can tap on this last option. So that's it. That's how you can easily change the parental controls in your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.